Hi Joe, it's good to catch you. I've had lots of people come up to me today to say how much they enjoyed your assembly. So for everybody that's not been in school today, can you just share what you were talking about in assembly this morning?
Yeah, so I've recently been away to the Caribbean where we were working on an island off Grenada called Carriacou on a dive conservation project. In my assembly this morning I was sharing the lessons I learned while I was out there and the positive messages of hope I learned while being on the ground of an environmental project.
So on a day-to-day basis when you were out there, it sounds glorious, what were you doing to help?
So we were diving twice in the mornings, working on either coral planting or reef surveying. Those reef surveys, the data was inputted into Reef Check, which is an organisation that provides all the data on the health of the world's reefs. And then in the afternoons we were learning about what we were doing the next day, learning the protocols for that, or beach cleaning. And
who did you go on the trip with?
So I went with my family. My parents are strong and keen environmentalists and I have grown up to become one. We've got a lot of experience travelling and we found this new place that had some really inspiring reviews and felt like it was doing some proper meaningful environmental work.
That's fantastic. And I'm sure the other people you met on this trip were equally as inspiring?
Yeah, amazing people from all across the globe, come there from a variety of backgrounds, all joined together and united by a passion for the environment and sustaining reef health.
So an amazing 3 weeks, what an experience. And your big kind of thoughts on reflection is one of hope.
Yeah, one of hope that there are people doing things. There's around 2,000 projects like the one I was working on who are planting around 500,000 corals a year. There's also governments are pledging to save the planet. 77 governments have signed the 30 by 30 thing, which is to preserve and make protected areas of 30% of the oceans and 30% of the world's land by 2030. So that's really encouraging to see too.
Well, amazing. So well done for doing the trip and obviously for coming back and sharing all of that today in assembly. You must have plans, Joe, to do another trip.
Yeah, my plan is in my gap year to get my dive instructor and go to a project like Caribbean Reef Buddy and teach the volunteers like I was to dive well and to survey and protect the reefs around beautiful islands and bring back and share messages like I have to increase the global understanding of the health of the world's oceans and the things we can do to sustain and protect them.
Well, brilliant. And thank you, Joe, for inspiring so many people today in assembly, but also with your ongoing active engagement with our Earth Centre here at school. And congratulations on everything you've achieved so far.
Thank you.